Hello everyone. This is a short video tutorial on how to access the post-session verification quizzes for our future shadowing webinars. First, you have to go to our WebCeph website at webceph.com. Then you will have to make an account. Click this sign up button on the top right and create your account. Since I already have an account, I'm going to log right in. After you log in with your account, you'll see our main page. Click on the WebCeph S tab here on the right. Then click on this pink icon that says Shadowing Quiz. You'll be asked to leave a brief thank you message to the guest speaker before you access the quiz. Just a heads up, message will be posted for public viewing. After you leave the message, click submit and then the quiz should pop up. All post-session quizzes will only be available for 12 hours after each session, and an official certification from WebCeph may be given upon request. I hope this tutorial was helpful.